The quicker we can get to an insight, the quicker we can communicate and we can tell the story with our data, the better off we are. We were looking for different tools to work with to make the company more self-serve and be much more data-driven. I was looking for something to really get the organization excited about and get them, reaching towards. It's easier to bring something in if somebody reaches for and pulls it towards them than if I'm, as a management team, pushing it at you. Tableau, people responded to, reached out, pulled it in, and embraced it. And that's been the real surprise. We did a Tableau demo, a 2-week demo, where we had 30 people go in, and they created about 130 reports. The hard problem was, once we gave it to them and said, okay, this is just a free trial, they kept coming back and saying, how do I keep this turned on? Right? So you've got a very addictive tool that gets into the people, and they just want to keep using it. It's helped us a lot to communicate what's actually happening, and that's where Tableau has been huge. What are our users doing on the site? How often do they subscribe? How long do they stay with us? How often do they engage? And by that I would mean, how do they search? Do they accept a hint? Are they building trees? What are they doing? How often do they come back? And that's what we were showing with Tableau. The other team that was interesting to see change was our financial planning and analytics guys. They lived and died in their Excel spreadsheets. And when we got them to use Tableau, they converted over really quick and didn't want to let it go. It's amazing. With the previous tools we had people that would look at them but not use them. And they go back to their Excel spreadsheets. They jumped into Tableau and they stayed in Tableau. Our main data warehouse is Matrix. It used to be Parcel. So it's an MPP system and really, really fast. We've got some tables in there that are billions of rows. We have one that's 220 billion. And when we're hitting it with Tableau, with those queries, it comes back quick. And it allows us to do some really cool visualizations with that data. That's the key. Just having access and pulling it up is one thing, but being able to take a look at it and see what the trends are, get an understanding so that we can make a strategic decision for the company, that's a key.